everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the viral palette that Lisa Eldridge brought back, and that is the Betty. And I actually purchased it when I first saw it the first time around, and this is how it looks like. And you can see that I've been using it, and they're just really beautiful colors. You have High Maintenance, Prima Donna, Posh, Starlet, Lavender Queen, and Talk to the Paw. And I don't have my glasses on, so I don't know what the shelf life is on here. However, it still performs nicely. This, I have a little bit of a hard pan. She does say that you can use this with your fingers. I don't think so. I'm gonna try it with a rougher brush in 01 and to see if I can do better pickup with these, because I've been using other brushes and they're synthetic and it doesn't pick up as much as I would like it to do. I already have my base on, I've already done my eyebrows, I have my blush on, so I'm just gonna go with Lavender Queen, which is this one right here, and it's picking up very nicely on a brush. I'm gonna do it all over my eyelid. Yeah, see, that's more saturated that way, but the payoff is so pretty. These Refo brushes are so nice. They're all natural hair brushes and they make such a big difference on your eye makeup application. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And basically she created this palette. She got inspired by her cat Betty, and when you see the pictures of Betty, and this really matches the color of that cat, and those colors are so pretty. I've never seen a cat have purple colors for fur, but that cat does. I'm not sure what kind of cat it is, but it is a very pretty cat. So that is that one. And I think I'm gonna go with, let me swatch this one. This one is Talk to the Paw, and then this one is like the really pretty one. That is High Maintenance, just like, and then this one is a duochrome and it's called Starlet. So let me swatch those for you so you can see. Yeah, so those are the colors. So let me see what I want to do. You know what, I think I'm gonna go with High Maintenance. I'm gonna put that on here, and it's actually picking it up very well. I'll put it on top. Oh yeah, look at that combo. It is so pretty. This side. And a lot of people think that when you see this palette, you're like, what am I gonna do with it? You can do multiple looks with this. You can do single shadows, one and done. The combinations are somewhat endless. And you really don't need anything else. Put this underneath my eyes. I think it's pretty much done. I think I'm gonna darken up the bottom or the outer corner, so I'm going to use Prima Donna, and I'm just going to pick a tiny bit and just darken that up on the side like so, and bring it in. Tiny bit again, darken it up, bring it inside. And this looks professional. You can dress it up, dress it down. You really don't need, like, you don't have to feel like you're going too glam if you don't want to, but you definitely can go glam if you want to. I mean, it's a great little palette. Highly recommend. I really do like this. So yeah, I think it's better using a natural hair brush. I've used the BK Beauty brushes. I love BK Beauty brushes. I have a whole bunch of them. However, I feel like the Refo brushes for Lisa Eldridge formula of shadows do best with these natural hair brushes. If you feel differently, please comment in below. Curious to hear your opinion on that. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the Lisa Eldridge brunette, or burnt amber, excuse me. So this is how the wand looks like, and it's a burnt amber, and it's just a very natural look when you put this brown on. Very subtle, but it kind of still gives you like that wow effect. This does not flake on me. It coats the lashes very nicely. It's a very, very wet formula. So I know a lot of people, they'll pump air into it. I don't do that because I really enjoy wet formula. Mascaras. I mean, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? So yeah, so that is Lisa Eldridge, the Betty palette. Get really close so you guys can see it. Oh, I got a little bit. You know what, if you get mascara on your lid or anywhere on your face, just let it dry and then you can just scrape it off. Comes off really, really good. The other thing I want to mention about Lisa Eldridge palettes, they have these little holes back here that you can actually pop these out and create your own palette if you want to. I have the Myth that I was gifted by my husband a few years back, and this is how it looks like, and this is how the packaging comes. So it comes like this. And again, it has the holes on the back so you can switch them out if you want to. So yeah, are you guys gonna pick this up now again? And I believe she's actually offering a little cat pillow makeup bag to go with it, which I think is great. I think you have to buy some sort of package. I'm not quite sure, but I'll link the information in the comments below. And this is what I got when I originally purchased it. And I also bought the lipstick. Looks like very vintage, and it has my initials on there, which I really enjoy. But I got this very vampy color, and this is in the color 190, and I'll put it on to finish the look. It's very creamy, pops back in. It's very heavy weighted. Yeah, I just took it to a very vampy look. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But yeah, so that is the Lisa Eldridge Betty compact. So let me know if you're gonna pick it up. Let me know which colors you enjoy utilizing. I would love to see your looks. Make sure to tag me too. Greatly appreciate all you guys viewing my videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know how you like the video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.